Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What is your name?
Zishan.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Peshawar basically, but I live in Islamabad now.
Okay, great. So do you know where I'm from?
You're from Kazakhstan.
Okay, yes. So what do you know about Kazakhstan?
Well, it's kind of our neighbor, and it's on the old Silk Route, and they have many traditions and cultural things which are common to our people in north of Pakistan, Baltistan, which
Yes.
is rural region. Your handicrafts and the way you live in tents, and they also do that in some parts though. Yeah.
Have you ever known that our languages have similar words like Kazakh and Urdu language?
Well, I knew about Russian because since I'm a Pathan, I know Pashto. So in the counting the three,
Yes.
dre and dua,
Can you count first in Pashto 1, 2, 3?
yo, dua, dre.
And in Russian, раз, два, три. Okay, quite similar. So what about my language? Have you ever heard Kazakh language in your
I
life?
never met a Kazakh person in Pakistan.
So I'm the first one.
You're the first one, yeah.
So okay, today's topic is about our language similarities. So let's start. First is evidence.
Sabut.
Okay, in my language is dәлел.
Dalil is also there, yeah. Sabut is like proof, and dalil, yeah, dalil.
You also use dәлел.
Dalil
Okay.
in Urdu, actual word is dalil, yeah.
Okay.
Literature.
Okay. Problem.
Masla.
Mesele. Garden.
Bagh.
Bak.
Bagh, yeah.
So right now we are
In a-
in the garden.
Rose and jasmine bagh, yeah.
Yeah, rose and jasmine bak.
Bagh, yeah.
Crown.
Taj,
Taj.
yeah, Taj.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah, Taj Mahal
It's
in
called
India.
because of Taj, yeah?
It's a royal palace, so Taj Mahal is related to the royal. Yeah.
Yes. Pleasure.
Maza or pleasure.
Okay, in my language we say rahat.
Oh yeah, Rahat. Okay, yeah.
You also have Rahat?
Yeah, Rahat, exactly.
Okay, great. That sounds great. Love.
Pyar, Mohabbat.
Mahabbat.
Yeah,
Same.
Mohabbat. Oh, same.
Yeah, I think the main thing in our languages is that we have Persian and Arabic words.
Егер сіздерді саяхат тақырыбы қызықтыратын болса, өзімнің Instagram парақшамда Пакистан және өзге де елдерге саяхатымнан алған тәжірибемен және де қызықты ақпараттармен бөлісемін. Сонымен қатар тиімді саяхаттау жолдарында үйрететін боламын. Ол үшін менің парақшама тіркеліп, қазақ тілді контентке қолдау көрсетіп қойыңыздар.
So in this case, we have some common words.
Like in Urdu, there are many Turk words,
Turkic words,
Turkic words,
Arabic,
words, and Persian.
Persian words. So
and
the
Hindi,
same.
India.
Hindi.
Hindi. So these four languages basically form Urdu.
So this thing always gather us in language similarities. I
Yeah,
think
so-
respect, honor,
Izzat.
aziyat,
Izzat,
the same.
oh, Izzat, yeah.
Sacrifice,
Qurbani.
qurban.
Qurban? Oh,
Yeah.
Qurban. So what do you say to the Qurbani that is done on the Eid?
Qurbandiq shalu.
Qurbandak shalu.
What about you? How do you say in Urdu?
Qurbani.
Just qurbani.
Qurbani.
How would you say known? Like it is known.
Malum.
Malum.
Oh,
Yeah.
Malum.
Malum.
Okay, nice.
How would you say newspaper?
Akhbar.
Akhbarat.
Yeah, akhbarat means many news. Khabar is the news.
Khabar. Yeah,
Yeah,
khabar
khabar.
in my language also news. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, guys. What is your name?
Mohammed Hassan.
Parvez Ali.
Okay. Can you guess where I'm from?
London.
Okay, London, UK. What do you think? Where I'm from?
Russia.
Russia, I think.
Oh wow, almost close. I'm from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yes.
Wow, nice country.
Yeah,
I like
but I
this
can
country.
speak Russian too. Yeah.
Mashallah.
So what do you know about Kazakhstan? Have you ever heard?
It's
Nothing?
very beautiful. There's many Muslims live here.
Yes, you are right.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like this country.
Thank you. Thank
There's medical university is famous, I think.
you. Okay.
Third number I search in Google.
So yeah, you have good information about Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
I have many good friends, Pakistani friends, who study in medical universities in Kazakhstan.
Medical
Yeah.
MBBS is very nice.
Yes.
I
okay.
search about this country. My dream going.
Yeah, you're
MBBS
right.
other countries.
Not only like we are Muslims, but also we have common culture, Kazakhstan and Pakistan. And even the name Stan is the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah, Pakistan,
Yes,
yeah,
yeah.
Pakistan.
So yeah, in today's video, I want to show you guys that we have common words in our languages. So you speak Urdu,
Yes.
I speak my own language, Kazakh. So we have common words.
Common.
Okay? So now I want to speak to you some English words. Your task is to translate into Urdu. I translate
oh,
into
okay,
Kazakh.
okay.
Then we
Okay,
show how
okay.
similar language.
Okay.
How would you say if something happens, if
क्या
खुशी।
तो अगर भी Kya, to, same.
Okay, same, many
Same.
words.
Many
So in my language, we can say eger.
Again.
You say agar, we say yeger.
Yeger.
So how would you say in Punjabi spoon?
Chamach, chamchi.
In my language, we say khasaq. How would you say sacrifice?
This is sacrifice.
Basically,
We say qurban.
Kurban.
kurban.
Also qurban.
Kurban.
Kurbani dena.
Kurban.
Okay. How would you say love?
Love.
Love, pyar, mohabbat. Pyar, mohabbat.
Oh wow. In my language, we also say mahabbat.
Mahabbat. Same.
Same. Okay. What about journey?
Safar.
Yeah.
Safar.
In my language, we say sapar.
Safar.
In
Yeah.
Urdu we say safar.
Okay. Sounds same. Okay. What about promise?
Wada.
Wadi.
Wa-
Question.
Yes.
Sawal.
Sawal. Answer.
Jawab.
Jawab. Friend.
Dost.
Dost.
Dos. If I say meaning dosum, what did I say?
Dost.
ये मेरा दोस्त है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friend.
Yes, right. So totally right. Benefit.
Fayda.
फायदा.
Payda. Hope.
Umid.
उम्मीद.
Umut.
Umad. Acha, ab-
In my language,
Wow.
umut. So if you want to come to Kazakhstan, you can speak Kazakh language, or I mean your Urdu language. So people slightly will understand
Easy,
you.
easy language.
Easy. So you heard me how I was speaking. I hope you understand me,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay, guys, I have chocolates for you. Thank you for your participation. Yeah, thank you for having your time. Okay.
channel?
Yeah, मेरा YouTube के channel. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah. This is for you.
Thank you.
Ek for you. Shukriya.
Thank you.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What is your name?
Noman Said.
Okay. My name is Balnoor.
Balnoor.
Yeah. Can you guess where I'm from?
I think so. Balnoor. Oh, Kazakhstan.
Yes, you notice your cap. Okay, great. So,
Nice having you here.
yeah, thank you so much. Very smart guy. Yeah, because many people were looking at his cap but didn't recognize that we are from Kazakhstan. Okay, what do you know about my country, Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan, we just only know it is Afghanistan, and they are captured by Soviet Union long ago, but now they are going great. Welcome Pakistan.
Shukriya, बहुत शुक्रिया.
Let's have some things for it and
Okay.
chai वगैरह.
Okay, thank you. One more thing that I want to mention in this video, that we have common words in Urdu. You speak Urdu, right?
Yes, I can.
And I can speak Kazakh,
Urdu is a combined language.
combined language.
In our words, we can it's a lecture language. You can say it a soldiers language. When soldiers are combined, so Urdu is generated from there. So it have many words from Arabic, Urdu, Pashto, Punjabi, and after
Farsi.
Sanskrit, Parsi, Persian. Yes, it's a mixture of these languages.
Yes, you are right. So in this reason we have common words. Now I want to show it to my audience that we can slightly understand each other. Let's start. Group of soldiers.
फौजियों का हजूम.
In my language we say asker.
Askari. ठीक है. Yes, it's same like Urdu.
How would you say in Urdu?
Askari.
Askeri. Enemy.
Dushman.
Dushpan.
Dushman.
In my language dushpan.
I think so. There is no sheen, sha. Sha sound in their language.
In my language more sha and kh sounds. Okay, next one is result, conclusion.
Result. Natija.
Natije. In my language natije.
Oh, same.
Same. Capable, able.
सलाहियत रखना, बासलाहियत.
Like I am capable.
मैं इस काबिल हूँ. काबिल भी आता है सलाहियत.
Yeah, in my
you
language-
consider काबिल and सलाहियत as well.
Kabil.
काबिल.
In my language kabiliyat.
काबिलियत. सलाहियत. Yes, exactly.
Same. How would you say spirit, soul?
Spiritual.
Spirit.
Spirit.
In my language we say ruh.
Spirit. Yes, I am pronouncing it spiritual, like rohaniyat.
In my language spiritual also ruhaniyat.
Oh, sure.
The
It's
same.
much similar.
Destiny.
Destiny, kismat,
It's translated as taqdir.
takdir,
You also have taqdir.
takdir. We have 2 to 3 meanings of a word.
Yeah, like synonyms, right?
Yeah.
Pure.
Pure, khalis, khas.
Or in my language is pak. Like
Pak,
Pakistan
pak,
means.
pak.
also
You can say
pak.
that pak, khalis, both will be used.
So the name of your country, Pakistan, means like pure country.
People of pure, land of pure.
Land of
people.
pure. Letter, handwriting.
Letter, alfaz, love.
Letter. When
Likhna. Likhna,
in my language we say it khat.
khat. Okay.
Do you have the
Yes,
word
yes,
khat?
yes, we have khat.
Also khat.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your participation. I have chocolate for you. Thank you.
Let's have something for it.
Oh, okay, later
What is your
maybe.
channel's name?
Міне Номан Сайт деген кісімен танысып отырмын. Енді ғана көрісіп отырмыз. Жаңа сіздер көргендеріңіздей сұхбат алдым. Бұл кісі қазір бізді қонаққа шақырып жатыр, тамақтанайық деп жатыр. Міне осындай Пакистанның қонақжайлығы керемет. О, достары. Апке дост.
Yes.
Аха. Мере дост. Апке дост, мере дост. Иә. Шүкрия.
Келесі шығарылымдарымды өткізіп алмау үшін менің арнама тіркеліп, лайк батырмасын басып қойыңыздар. Егер менің шығармашылығым және жасап жатқан жұмысым ұнаса, Казахский арқылы қолдау көрсетсеңіздер болады. Назарларыңызға көп рахмет. Келесі көріскенше сау болыңыздар.